Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I'm here today to do a plan with me in my food diary, which is in this Walmart Pen and Gear Traveler's Notebook. It's approximately B6 size, and I use a Dollar Tree planner as an insert in this planner that is also approximately B6 size. This is what the planner looks like. I've covered it with washi tape and a little packing tape to hold the washi tape in place. And so this is what it looks like. There is a quick little video on my IGTV showing how I did this. Let's go on to this week, which will be week 52, the last week of the year, December 23rd through December 29th. And my theme this week is going to be this candy cane striped washi. And actually have a plan for the header this week, which I normally don't. I'm probably missing plans for other parts of this, but I think I'm going to use this 'Tis the Season sticker and cut it apart and use it and not use the Christmas tree part. And that is from the Christmas Joy sticker book from the Happy Planner. And I'll probably end up using a few other stickers from here as well. Let's go ahead and put down the washi tape. This is the washi tape that has the white backing on the back, so it's kind of a pain to work with, but I think it's worth it in the end. This washi has some errors on it. You can see the little dots on it. Maybe it's not showing up through the camera, but I've always known that it had those. So I'm just going to leave it. I'm not even going to worry about them. And I'm just going to trim off some pieces to work with instead of keeping this roll out for it to unravel. Okay, I think I have enough. Let's take this back up so it doesn't unravel. And I hope I cut these long enough. Now it's just going to be a matter of getting the backing off. You can kind of see through that, but I think my date covers will take care of that. So that's our base. Let's go ahead and put our header. I hope that's not too close together. Too late now. Okay, let's see what else I can find. So the header is done, I think. Okay, I think I'm going to use this washi to do the days of the week. So let's see how that works. Do I want to put it over it or under it? think it's probably going to be best under. I mean, oops, wrong location, but yeah, I think it's going to be best underneath the candy cane stripes. So I'm going to try and make that happen. This washi tape I got from Joann's years ago, a couple of years ago. This is my backup washi. So once this one is gone, I don't have any more. And I haven't seen it available in Joann's since I got it. So may not be able to find this exact washi there, but... And this was in their like $2 bin. It's Miss something. I don't remember the name of the brand. They don't have as much of it as they used to. But it's like a $1, $2, $3, $4 bin. I don't remember exactly. I just can picture the craft paper that is part of the packaging, and it's Miss something. That's as much as I recall. Okay, so this is working out okay. So I think that looks nice. Okay, so now we need some numbers. And unfortunately, I don't have numbers to match this washi, but I do have number stickers. So let's see what we got from Crafting by the Pound. Do I want to use these, or do I want to use the ones with the swashes, the paint swashes? Maybe I better use those. So these are from Crafting by the Pound, and it's craftingbythepound.com. You can use my discount code RACH15 to save 15% off your order. And I think I'm gonna spruce this up just a little bit more. I have this washi here. I thought this was one of those ones that had the backing, but it doesn't feel like it. Yes, it does. Let's see if we can make a little something special happen here. I'm gonna have to redo that one. Let's try that again. I think I'm gonna make them go that way. That way it can cover up where you can see the date through the back, and it'll also cover up where the day of the week is showing through the back. Try that one more time. There's nothing on there. Y'all let me do that. Okay, and for the doll, I'm using Peyton from Gold Mining Coco. Just trying to decide where I'm going to put her. I think she's going to go on Christmas. I think that would be fitting. Let's see if I have anything in here that I can use. I should probably use these. Wrong sticker. It's got Christmas Eve. Where is Christmas? Oh, okay. And you know what? I think that's it. I don't think it needs anything else. I think that's perfectly fine, just the way it is. Yep. So that's it for this food diary plan with me. Let's see. Let's pop this insert back in. We're almost done. One more week in here. So, okay. Let me flip this back. Come a long way. So I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for more exclusive content and digital downloads. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.